Hi, and welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I'm Neo, and this really queen. What? I'm feeling my Garrett vibe, and I kind of like having some of these videos where the final look is partially a mystery. Yeah, we know. Go get fully ready and then come back. Okay, fine. I'll go do it. I'll be right back. Ugh. When the sharpest words will cut me down, this is like a drowning now. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be, this is me. Look out, 'cause here I come, marching on, marching on. This is me. Okay, better? No, bitch. I mean like fully ready. Don't just shave. I mean go and put on your full face and then come back. Come on. Okay, okay. I'll be right back. With Arizona. Okay, so will this do? Whatever. This will do. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so back to the video. Yay! Just what we wanted. Could you just be nice? You're making it seem weird. Well, I mean, I'm you, but from another video, so no matter what, this just seems weird? Mm-hmm. Fun. Yeah. You can leave. I mean, your video that happened 3 weeks ago. Whatever. It's probably more popular than this one. Boom, bitch! Okay, so hi, welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I actually forgot to finish the rest of the intro in makeup, and this is actually a few days later. Anyway, I do want to say that I had a lot of fun doing that little bit, and I have a lot of fun creating the look that you're going to see, and I can't wait for you to see it, but I also just want to say real quickly that Garrett Wants is a YouTuber. A lot of people, I mentioned him, and a lot of people are like, who? I'm like, he's Shane Dawson's friend. They're like, okay, I haven't kept up with Shane. So, I know a lot of people don't know who he is, but at the same time I know a lot of people do because he has like over 1 million subscribers. Anyway, Garrett is such a fun and like bubbly character, like personality, and I don't know what it was. I'm like, let me do a look around Garrett. And so I did it. So yeah. I know this intro has been really long, but I want to pay homage to some of Garrett's video style and how his comedy is. And yeah, so thank you for watching. And I'm going to stop talking so you can get into the video. Okay, so now that all of that is over, I'm sorry, I couldn't resist it. It was a lot of fun to do. We're going to get into the look. And I already took care of my eyebrows. I primed and set my lid using Brulee, which is a Wet n Wild single. I'm going to be using this now whenever I'm going for a look, because if my palette does not have it, I have a single, and it's only like $1. And for today, I hate to say it, but I'm going to be using 2 palettes. But then again, they're on sale right now they're 3 for $10. So, yeah. Okay, so to start, we're going to be taking this top transition color from the Comfort Zone palette. We're going to be running that just above the crease. Okay, taking this warm transition shade, the lower one from the Not Basic Peach palette, I'm going to run that just below the crease with a dash of this orange, because I really want a warm crease. Taking my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, I'm just going to blend. Taking this darker plum transition shade, I'm going to add it on the outer third and slightly into the crease. Now I'm just going to be adding a little bit more of that same shade with a different brush to really pack in the color. Taking my Sephora Collection No 10 brush, I'm just going to blend. Now the last shade I'm going to take is this shade right here. I'm going to pack it on the outer third and again slightly into the crease. And I mean the last shade from these palettes. And oh my gosh, that is pigmented. Blending again. Okay, so I finished blending. I actually had to take a phone call. But next I'm going to take a Makeup Forever eyeshadow. I cannot remember the number of this. I think it's I325. It's this shade right here. And I'm going to apply that on the crease. Blending. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera, put eyelashes on, put on a full face. I'm also going to use my Sephora brown eyeliner, the colorful eyeliner, and I'm going to just put my little wing on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we have the full face on. And I actually used two highlighters today, two of them both blinding. One is Halo Goodbye by Wet n Wild. This is a liquid one. And it's a little cool on me, so it shows up as a little bit gray. So I added a little bit of Moon Tears, which is my favorite highlighter. And that's why I am metallic. Oh, by the way, I actually did add a little bit of Vivid Delight by NYX. It's orange Vivid Brights highlighter. Eyeliner, just to outline that brown to make it pop. Anyway, I'm going to be taking shade number 3, right? Yes, shade number 3. I'm running that all across the lower lash. And then I'll be taking shade number 9 right here. These are from the Not a Basic Peach palette, and I'll be adding that right at the corner. Blending again. So for inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the shade 1 from the Comfort Zone palette. It's not that popping, so I'm going to take a little bit of Moon Tears. For the waterline, I'll be taking Peridot by Marc Jacobs. For lower lash mascara, Lash Renegade. Okay, and now it's time for the lips. For lipstick today, I'll be taking a Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in number 75, Fighter. Okay, now I'm going to set my face using my Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. I'm going to let down my hair and I'll be right back. So here we are with the finished look, and I love how this turned out. I love how this turned out. I feel like it kinda, I honestly got the feeling from the colors that Garrett wears a lot, which tends to be more earth tones. And I even think I remember a video whenever he mentioned like, oh, it's earth tones, I like it. I'm like, I got this guy. Anyway, similar to how I did the Sanders and Friends, this is not going to be like a full series though. Ooh my gosh, that is shiny. Okay, sorry. But I did want to, oh my gosh, my nose highlight. Okay, sorry. I am very distracted today. Again, similar to the Sanders and Friends week, this is not going to be a full week. I had this idea and I just really wanted to do it because Garrett is one of my favorite YouTubers. He makes me smile, he makes me laugh, and I I just wanted to like do something to say kind of like thank you because he inspires me. And yeah, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please subscribe and click that little bell button because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. And apparently YouTube has been shady and not giving everyone the information if you subscribe, so you have to click that bell button now to get any notification. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!